So Exploring Early Childhood, it gives students the opportunity to learn about careers working with children.
I love it. It's really fun to be able to do like a practical side of just like the theory. It's different.
To be able to come into an actual childcare centre and see the daily routine and the flow of the day, they're getting a really good understanding about what to expect.
Being able to visit St Nick's is really good because it's fun to be able to learn how they learn and see how they're learning in real life.
So to be able to provide that hands-on experience really allows students to discover if they have that joy and that love for children.
It's really engaging and it's fun.
I think EEC is the perfect balance. So it provides that opportunity for that theory coursework, but also that practical hands-on experience. And it's quite manageable and effective, and I feel like relevant for a lot of the students.
For any Year 10 students who are interested in learning what early childhood education is about, I recommend taking on the Exploring Early Learning course.